Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue is that your PC is not optimized, and when you just try to play some games and they're gonna lag, and how you can optimize your PC for the gaming. So the first step is that you just have to just go to your settings of your laptop if you have PC and just going to the gaming and just go turn on the gaming mode. So if you don't know what you can do that, so you're going to settings and simply search gaming and just click on that and you see the toggle of that one, so just make sure that it's on. So after that you just go to the graphic performance settings, system display, graphics and game and plus high performance. So just simply just going to the display section and just going to display section and just scroll it down and you see the option of a graphic setting, just going to that. And here just like that I'm playing some game in BlueStack, so that's why I just select that high performance. So make sure that you just select your game from the browser and just select that one game and just enter it, and after it they're gonna show on that section and just right click and just click on that and you see option of just click on that and you see the option of a high performance. So make sure that it's select that option and save it. So after just cross that, so the third step is that you just press window plus R and just type that one. You also see on the screen, you're gonna type on the screen, copy from the screen and just type that. So you see that you're getting the option of a high performance, just select that. In my laptop is not showing, so in you're using the PC, that's why you seeing the option of high performance. So just select it. So the first step is that disable your background apps. So just going to settings, apps, install app and just background permissions and never. So just going to the apps. So so you see that is going to the apps and okay, you just have this going to the install apps where you have to install apps. So just simply just double L E D install apps and after that just going to the section of our apps, and here you just have to just select that app which you don't want to use, just like that. I don't want to use that app, so just click on that and just also install. If you don't using in future, maybe you just have to just, if you want to use in future, just simply just go to advanced option and just select the background, just scroll it down and just getting the option of a background. See the app permissions, and in that case it is not showing, so you just have to just install that app. So just like that you just have to just turn off the background permissions, Google never. So the fifth step is that you disable Xbox gaming for recording. So it is going to settings, gaming and capture. So it is going to the simply search a gaming mode, and here you see the option of a captures. So you just go to the captures and here you just see the option of a background recording. So if you do not see the option of background recording, see that adjust background recording length. So they're gonna go to the search bar, so you don't have to do that. So just simply just go to the captures and save screenshots and game clips in that. So here in your case is showing the background recording off or not, so you just have to say take it off. So you just have to call that off also. Just scroll it down and just go to graphic settings, and as you see that what I'm going to tell in previous. So after that you just have to follow the fifth step is cover the fifth step, and the GPU settings is very important. So just follow all these GPU settings. You have to just go to the power management section, prefer maximum performance and just low intensity mode on, and make sure that mode on ultra section. So make sure that one. So after in the texture filling quality, make sure it's high performance, and in vertical sinus make sure it's off. So in also AMD software, many users having the NVIDIA graphic card and many users having AMD software, so make sure that setting for the AMD. So make sure all the settings in showing in the screen. So other thing is that you just have to just follow. This step is 7, close background overlays. So Also, I'm closing the background, so just have to just disable your Discord overlays. So just open your Discord app if you have installed the Discord app. Just go to the overlays and just disable that. And also in the same case in the Steam and also same case in the GeForce. So the other step is Windows performance tweaks. So just going to the visual effects. If you don't know where you can find that visual effects, so just simply just type window plus R and just paste that cop text and just see on the screen and just okay it. So we're just going to the advanced section and just see the option of a performance. So just go to settings and just select the one which have to just for best performance and just okay that one. After that just cross it, and the other thing is disable your notifications. So just go to settings, go to system notifications and make it off. So now you just know that what they have. So the 10th step is that storage cells. So make sure that we have a storage. So just go to settings and just turn on that section of storage on. So the 11th step is that network and online gaming. So set your network to private. Just go to settings and simply just go to home page. So just go to the network sections and just go to the properties section of properties. So just wait, I'm gonna find. So here you can find the private. So see that you are connected to the internet that showing in the private network. So make sure that you have selecting the private one. So make sure that. So after that you just have to just go into the section of disable background download. So just go to that section. So just go to the simply just pause Windows update while gaming. So just disable your background downloads. Just like that, having some updates downloading in the background, just like that. Going to home page and going to scroll down and just like that something update in the background. So make sure you stop it. And you have to stop it just like there's something downloading, so something app downloading, something videos downloading. So make sure that you off it and just pause it. So the other thing is that you just update your DirectX software. So if you don't know what is that software, so gaming users know that what is that software. So basically it is a software which have tried to optimize your display while you playing the game and optimize your FPS. So just press that one, Windows plus R, and just paste that code, and they're gonna check that your DirectX software having any issue or not. They check the version and try to update the Windows. They check that after saving that they're checking for the WHQL direct signature. So they're checking that you having the preferable driver or not and checking the version. So after you go to next page, go to that everything is okay. Just go with exit. So the 14 is update your GPU drivers. So we don't know where you can find that. Simply just have to just going to the section of a window and right click and just going to device manager, and here just go to the display adapters, just click on that and just right click and then update driver from here. After updating your driver, just browse from the computer if you have any browse computer to update the drivers. If you having a graphic card of NVIDIA, if you have update, you have having the drivers, you just update from there and you browse from the drivers just like that. After updating your drivers, you just have to just in game settings. So make sure that in game settings, make sure everything is you have motion blur is off, your film grain is off, your V sinus is off in game games, and also ray tracing go to low NPC. So after that, you just follow the step. The step is 15. You can set the resolution of the game is 15 to 90 to 10%. Shadow may be medium low and also anti-lag option low. So in the low end PC, just have to use specific subpieces. So make sure you just go to control panel, system advanced, and visual memory and set custom size. Basically, it's for the one which have low memory, just like that. In my laptop, is I have a 16 GB RAM, but in your case, if you have 4 GB, 8 GB, so just have to just set customized size. So the other thing is that you just disable your unused services, just like that. I'm going to the Windows plus R and the services.msc. So here you just have to just disable that one which you don't want to use right now. So basically, so going to the prints folder. So basically I'm gonna go to the print and spoiler. So just like that I'm gonna disable that, so stop it. So another thing is Xbox services. So I'm gonna find the Xbox services. So I'm gonna also disable that one. So just simply just type on that where you can find the option of Xbox. So it's already a pause and it's not working. So it's manual, not automatic. So that's why it's not on. So other thing is you have to just make sure you clean your PC. Make sure you have an dust in your PC, your laptop. So make sure you have clean your PC and clean your RAM. So you have to just use a blower to remove the dust from your PC and maybe laptop. So other thing is use SSD instead of hard drive. So SSD is a latest version. So make sure you're using SSD for the high performance of your gaming. So other thing is plug your laptop charger while gaming. So many users facing issue because when they play the game with laptop they're lagging because you cannot plug your laptop charger. So that's why you have gaming is gonna lag. So you have to just for the full performance you just use your laptop plug with your charger. So that is the video. Make sure you like that video and subscribe the channel for more upcoming just like that videos.